Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Xiaomi Poco M7 4G and Poco M7 Plus. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP64 rating. Display features. They offer 6.9 inches IPS LCD display. Let's move to the hardware features. Both devices are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Both two phones come with 50 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. They offer 7000 mAh batteries. Let's compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.